Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Kirtanmani and I am here to say some information about cryptocurrency that you guys actually don't know about it. And without late, let's move into the topic. This video consists of three parts about cryptocurrency. First one, what is cryptocurrency? Second one, how they are made. And last third one, what are the disadvantages and advantages of cryptocurrency? Let's make it simple. Starting, before going to say about cryptocurrency, let's go flashback at 19th. At that time, people were used to trade their items or things in order to exchange whatever they need. After some years, people made some coins in order to exchange the things what they need. And the coins were golden or in silver. Like that, now we are using cash in order to take items what we need. So past from decades, we are getting upgrading. So in this modern days, a new term called cryptocurrency was born. This cryptocurrency, also known as digital currency, and it is made purely digital. So these cryptocurrency made people so easier to make their transactions over countries. And here's the main question: how are cryptocurrencies are made? Cryptocurrencies were made using cryptography techniques in which involves complex mathematics algorithm to secure transactions. And here there is a new term called blockchain. And this blockchain is known as a decentralized immutable digital ledger that stores information in linked blocks. It also records and tracks transactions transparently. Here, digital ledger means it is a database that records transactions across a network of computers with each participant holding an identical copy. And once they were added, they are secured through cryptography, making them permanent and tamper proof. Also, cryptocurrencies are created through mining. It means a large and powerful process and GPU were used in mining to create the cryptocurrencies. Here, in mining process, the CPU and GPU will work to solve a complex mathematic problem in order to create a crypto coin or cryptocurrency. Let's go to some advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. First of all, advantages. Whereas cryptocurrency is decentralized, it means no government is involved and it is known for its speed transactions. Third one, has global accessibility. Fourth one, it takes lower transaction cost. And last but not least, fifth one, it has high potential for returns. On the other side, the major disadvantages of cryptocurrencies are: first one, it is high price. Second one, price volatility. Third one, it is lack of government regulation. Fourth one, it has high risk of irreversible transactions and risk security. And last but not least, it is limited acceptance for payments. ఎవరైతే ఈ వీడియో నచ్చి అండ్ అలాగే యూస్ఫుల్గా అనిపిస్తే కింద ఉన్న లైక్ అండ్ అలాగే మీ యొక్క ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. బై గైస్.